Hello students, today I am going to teach about the regulation of heart. Okay, so in body fluids and circulation, next topic is regulation of heart. So normally heart is self-regulated organ. Self-regulated organ. Okay, so it has SAN or SA node. So this SA node acts as pacemaker. This SA node acts as pacemaker, which is present in the right atrium of the heart. Okay, so this SA node acts as a pacemaker. Pacemaker means it produces the action potential without any external stimuli. So without any external stimuli, it can generate the action potential. As a result, the heart can show the heartbeats. So that's why heart is self-regulated organ. It can produce the heartbeats. It can produce the contraction and relaxation. So but nervous system and endocrine system. So these two are, they can control the heartbeats. Okay, actually heart is self-regulated organ. The contraction and relaxation or heartbeats are generated from the SA node, but that heartbeats may increase or decrease. That depends on nervous system and endocrine system. So nervous system and endocrine system, they can regulate the heartbeats, but heartbeats generated by SAN, sino-auricular node. So nervous system and endocrine system, they can regulate the heartbeats. So first of all, we will see about nervous system. So in the nervous system, the medulla oblongata, in the medulla region, this cardiac region is present. Cardiac region. So this cardiac region controls the heartbeats. So in the nervous system, we have the central nervous system, autonomous nervous system. So autonomous nervous system. So autonomous ANS, the autonomous nervous system controls the heartbeats. So in autonomous nervous system, two parts are present: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Both nervous systems are present. So in the sympathetic nervous system, the neurotransmitter is epinephrine. Neurotransmitter as epinephrine. Here neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. So here this sympathetic nervous system can increase the heartbeat rate. It increase the heartbeat rate. The parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat rate. So for example, when we are doing the exercise, okay, so body needs more amount of circulation, blood circulation. So as a result, so this in the medulla region, this cardiac region send the signal through the sympathetic nervous system. This cardiac region send the signals through the sympathetic nervous system to the circulators, to the heart. So as a result, heart shows the heartbeats, fast heartbeats. As a result, heart can pump the more blood. So cardiac output is increased. So when we'll go to normal position, so this can brings the normal of the heartbeats. So this is the nervous system. Next, endocrine system also. Endocrine system also controls our heartbeat. So here in the endocrine gland, adrenal gland, so which is located above the kidney. So that's why this is also called renal gland. So in the endocrine gland, the adrenal medulla, so can secrete the two hormones, noradrenaline and adrenaline. So this adrenal medulla secretes the noradrenaline and adrenaline hormone. So here adrenaline hormone can increase the heartbeat rate. These are noradrenaline decrease the heartbeat rate. Okay. So next, one more gland is also affects the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland is also, the thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone. So this thyroxine hormone is also increase the heartbeat. So these are the regulation of the heart. So normally heart is a self-regulated organ. It has SA node. Through the SA node, without impulses, it can generate the action potential, which means it shows the contraction and relaxation or heartbeats. But these heartbeat increasing or decreasing of the heartbeat rate or cardiac output rate depends on nervous system and endocrine system. The nervous system, the medulla region, cardiac region is present. That region can controls the heartbeat rate. So in the autonomous nervous system, sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat rate, parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat rate. Next, in the endocrine system, adrenal gland and thyroid gland. Both glands, they can controls the heartbeat rate. So adrenal gland, noradrenaline and adrenaline hormones are secreted from the adrenal gland. So here adrenaline hormone increase the heartbeat, noradrenaline decrease the heartbeat. Next, thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone is also increase the heartbeat rate.